Make sure if you enjoyed what you see today to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me and it helps me out with motivation for posting more videos. Let's try one of these hill climbs. It looks like a good little warm-up. This looks like a good one. I was looking at this, I was like, should I? Let's see if the YZ's got the power it needs to make it up this. Woo! She got the power, that's for sure. Just gonna get the power to go straight. Jesus. Alright, let's try this again. Let's try a little more of a straight on approach. There we go. Rollers are so much fun, but they take so much energy. The only issue is I don't know where I'm going because I didn't bring my phone. So I'm kind of just trying to guess to see what looks like it's going to be a nice, fun challenge. But at the same time, I'm also out here alone, so I don't want something that's going to make me die, you know? Oh, that really kicked me. Big for rocks. Back end skipping out on me. Holy shit. Holy crap. That was scary, mainly just because I had the back brake locked up almost the whole way, so anytime I was on and off camber, it was just sliding sideways. That looks freaking dope to go up though. I really wanna, but at the same time, I really don't want to come back down that. Alrighty, now this looks like a freaking challenge. I'm gonna go down the center and just follow that center rut up. I think trying to hop out of the rut will just make it more difficult. Maybe up to the top of that, and I'm quite in here now, so hopefully gonna have to start looping back here soon. Going a little left there. freaking climb. Am I certain I want to try this? There's an easy way to the left, so I might have to chicken out and take the easy way, because that was freaking hard. Alright, let's commit. Nothing else you can do but commit. Oh, I did not have enough speed. I think I might also need to redo some jetting because I'm bogging so bad. I'm really having to freaking throw in the clutch on this. I'm glad that I saved it. I was about to just freaking lean it over because I knew as soon as I got to this point and came to a stop, I knew I was screwed. Yeah, when I hit that tree branch, it just threw me off and I lost all my momentum. Now let's go try something else because I don't think I'm making that right now. Oh shit, I need to head back. Well, I'm gonna go back, take a break, get some gas, then probably head out on the Suron for the next round. Oh god, I was completely sideways there. I will say this, going down it's actually a lot smoother in this rocky